I'd like to call this Citizen Address to the State President of Malawi. Mr. President, my name is Kumbo Lakumbolani Michael Bazuka Muhanga. I hope you remember me from our previous meetings just before you became a president. These meetings were one-on-one. Before I start, let me take you back to your sauna of youth that happened at Mzuzu State Lodge or Paris.
And I have planted over 400,000 hectares of maize.
These were your own words of proclamation and declaration to our children. Oh wow, over 400,000 hectares. That's huge. That's 4,000 square kilometers. That's about 1 million acres. I was thinking out loud that 1 hectare of maize field will require about 8 bags of recommended NPK fertilizer. That means 400,000 hectares will require 400,000 hectares times 8 bags of NPK fertilizer times 110,000 kwacha per bag of 50 kg. That is equals to 352 billion kwacha. You also need urea, which will also require 400,000 hectares times 7 recommended or required bags of fertilizer urea times another 110,000 kwacha, which will give us again 352 billion kwacha. It will come up to 704 billion Malawian kwacha. That's a lot, Mr. President. That is simple arithmetic of your purchased fertilizer for your field. It's a lot of money. This excludes labor charges, machinery, or equipment, seeds, pesticides costs. That was just fertilizer. 704 billion Malawi kwacha, less these other things. My questions to you are, were you a beneficiary of AIP? If not, where did you get your fertilizer? Since fertilizer was scarce on the market at the shops. 3, what was your mode of payment? This is about credibility, and I'm holding you accountable for it. I'm seeking for your transparency. If it is not true, then it leaves a lot to be desired about your character, especially you as a president and a man of God. Your sauna at Parliament had some serious issues because it was half-baked truth. And that is the reason why you had to remove some of the things from it. Should I say that it's becoming habitual for you to be lying and misleading Malawians? Other known factors or examples are:
However, upon arrival in Mzuzu, the pilot was unable to land the plane due to poor visibility occasioned by bad weather, and aviation authorities advised the aircraft to return to Lilongwe.
And then there was this issue of your promise.
And within the first 2 years of being president, I will change everything in the way that we run things. If I don't change everything in 2 years, I will resign.
Has corruption changed? Has the welfare of Malawians changed? It has. Hiked prices of goods. Has the economy changed? Yes. High inflations and several devaluations. Do we have forex, Mr. President? What is the country's development when people are sleeping hungry? Mr. President, do you realize that swearing in under oath and lying under oath is perjury? Same question goes to our members of parliament. Do you realize that the president, since that day he was sworn in, is under the obligation of oath for 5 years up to the end of his term? Our registrators, do you defend and preserve the Constitution of the Republic of Malawi, or you're just part of the violation of it?
I, Dr. Lazarus Chakwera, do solemnly swear that I will well and truly perform the functions of the high office of President.
Do you remember that, Mr. President? Are we citizens of Malawi protecting our hard-won democracy and its Constitution of the Republic of Malawi? Because enough has just become enough.
I'm